Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add a live chat to Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So here, as you can see, currently we are on to this particular admin panel, and for adding a live chat you can search for an application specifically for that, and this is searching here for live chat. Make sure that you're searching the app store, and this is basically a conversation bot that you can add. So we have live chat option in here. Simply install that and you will have this little pop-up menu at the corner like this. Using that you can easily incorporate live chat onto your Shopify page, and you can also chat with customers using this option. So pretty easy, no rocket science here. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.